Good morning, students. Here we are going to the same unit, this and that, and the last topic is think. So here the problems will made you think. You have to think, then reply. First question is, what kind of coat can only be put on when wet? कौन सा कोट है जिसे हम सिर्फ गीला करके ही पहन सकते हैं? So it is a coat of paint. Paint coat is applied when it is wet. If it is dry, it is of no use. Number 2, what starts with an E but only has a single letter in it? It starts with E. ये E से शुरू होता है और इसके अंदर सिर्फ एक ही लेटर होता है. So what it is? It is envelope. Envelope एक लिफाफा है जिसमें हम लेटर डाल के पोस्ट करते हैं. Number 3, a man builds a house rectangular in shape. All the sides have southern exposure. A big bear walks by. What color is the bear? Why? See, the sides of the house have southern exposure. It means the bear is white since the house is built on the North Pole. So next we have number 4. If there are 3 apples and you take away 2, how many do you have? Clearly it is 2. If you have taken 2 apples, it means of course you have 2 apples. Number 5 we have, one big hockey fan claimed to be able to tell the score before any game. How did he do it? See, when a person is able to tell the score before the game, what the score will be before the game? Always the scores are 0. So the score before any hockey game would be 0-0 for both the teams. Next you have, you can start a fire if you have alcohol, petrol, kerosene, paper, candle, coke, a full matchbox and a piece of cotton wool. What is the first thing that you light? It is clearly a match, of course. We need a matchstick. After that, any other thing. First of all, we need a matchbox. And next you have, why do Chinese men eat more rice than Japanese men do? See, it is clear China has more number of people than Japanese. Then, as China has more population than Japan, so Chinese men eat more rice than the Japanese do. Next you have, what word describes a woman who doesn't have all her fingers on one hand? See, we are not having all the fingers on one hand. Both hands are separately, and such a woman is called normal because no one is having all the fingers on one hand. So a woman who is not having all the fingers on one hand will be called normal. Next we have, on taking delivery of a consignment of eggs, the market stall owner was furious to find that several were cracked. In a consignment of eggs, when it is delivered, few were cracked. In fact, on counting them up in order to assess the damage, he found that 72 were cracked, which was 12% of the total consignment. So how many eggs in total were there in the consignment? See, it is already given that 72 were cracked. And what is 72? It is 12% of the total consignment. So 12% of the total consignment. It means you are finding 12% of, let the total be x. 12% of x is equal to 72. So what will be the equation you got? You are getting the equation. This is your total, let it be x. Or you got x. X is equal to 72 divided by 12 multiplied 100. So here you got, when you simplified 72 and 12, you got here 6. 6 multiplied 100 is equal to 600. That is the solution. So students, in number 9 we finished with 72 divided by 12, that we got 6 multiplied 100. 6 multiplied 100, 600 is the solution of this. Next you have A to H alphabets are given. You have to think what letter comes to the right of the letter, which is immediately to the left of the letter. Read this. very carefully. Now just think, here we have in the end, midway between the letter 2 to the left of letter C. C के left में 2 steps, means you are here at A, and letter immediately to the right of the letter F. What is immediately to the right of F? To the right of F we have G. Now you have to take midway of A and G. You got here D. So what is the midway? Midway you got D. Now 3 to the right of the letter that comes midway. आपने D के right में जाना है 3 steps. Means here again you are on G, right? Now what letter comes to the right of the letter which is, आपने क्या करना है, उस letter के right में 2 steps जाना है. किस letter के? That is immediately left of the letter. Left हमारे पास क्या आया था? G. G के left में E, और E से हमने जाना है 2 to the right. तो E से 2 steps right side में, that is again you got H. So finally your answer is H. Thank you students. God bless you all.